Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily embed third-party HTML code into your Wix website using an iframe. If you've ever wanted to add interactive widgets from places like CodePen, Elfsight, or other services onto your Wix pages, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in outside plugins, calculators, forms, or even custom apps, making your website more engaging and functional without having to code from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened your website in the Wix editor. The reason I want you to start here is because the Wix editor is where all the design magic happens. If you're not sure how to get in, just head to wix.com, log in, and click Edit Site on whatever site you want to update. Once the editor loads up, you can see your different site pages, drag and drop elements. Basically, this is your creative playground. Now, let's add your new element. On the left-hand side in the editor, look for the big plus sign or the Add button. It usually says Add Element or just Add. Clicking it opens up a whole menu of different things you can pop onto your page, like text, images, buttons, and more. For this purpose, we want to add something custom, something that will let us paste in our external code. Scroll down the Add Element menu and locate the Embed Code option. You might have to look carefully because there are a lot of choices. Embed Code is what lets you insert custom HTML, scripts, or third-party tools that aren't natively supported by Wix. It's like opening a little window to whatever tool or widget lives outside Wix. Next, when you click Embed Code, a couple of options usually appear. Choose the one that says HTML iframe, or sometimes just HTML code. This is key because an iframe is kind of like a mini browser window right inside your site, letting you show content from another website or tool. Almost like embedding a YouTube video, but with way more flexibility. HTML iframes are fantastic if you want to pull in interactive examples, live forms, or up-to-date charts from external code platforms. Now, go ahead and copy the iframe code you want to use. This might come from CodePen, Elfsight, or any third-party service that gives you an embed or iframe snippet. Be sure to grab the entire code. They often start with and end with I. If the code is a bit intimidating, don't worry. You're just pasting it. Wix takes care of the technical side. Back in the Wix editor, find the placeholder for the HTML element you just added, and either click Enter Code or a similar button to open the code box. Paste your iframe code directly into the window. Take a moment to double-check that nothing was cut off or missed. Sometimes copying can be a little tricky. Once your code is in, hit Update or Apply depending on your version of Wix. This step confirms your new widget and displays it right on the page where you placed it. And just like that, you've embedded third-party HTML code into your Wix site. You should see your tool, widget, or app appear instantly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few seconds to load. Sometimes external services can take a moment. Remember, you can drag and resize the iframe box to fit your layout, just like any other site element. So that's it. Your Wix site just got a whole lot more interactive and flexible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about importing code or customizing your elements, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And if you want more tips and tricks for building awesome websites, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.